What's going on, everybody? Welcome to a very special episode of Hype Talking. Like always, we got Big Boy Johnny.
What it do?
We got Tang, aka Puerto Rico.
What up, y'all?
We got Sky Pilot the dog, and today we are gonna be going over a classic outfit battles. All right, got a lot of good ones.
These
all right,
are always good.
Always good, my friend. All right, y'all ready to go over these?
Let's go.
All right. So round one, man. We got two hoopers. Hoopers. All right, we got Mr. Irving, Kyrie Irving, now with the Brooklyn Nets.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You know, with the Nike Yeezy 2s.
Sheesh.
And then we got PJ Tucker, aka Sneaker King.
Yo.
With Yeezy 1s, Nike Yeezy 1s right here. So what they have in
man.
common are the Yeezys. Let me know.
Nike Yeezys.
Both with utility, outdoor mountain jackets. All right.
Okay.
Bam. Let me know. So Kyrie's is from last year. You know,
Sheesh.
PJ Tucker's is very recent.
Yo.
Let me know.
We starting this thing off with some heat.
Fire.
Heat.
With
Let
some
me know.
heat.
Let me know with let's start off with PJ Tucker.
Ooh, okay.
Do you guys look at him as the Sneaker King?
Of course.
Hey,
I've been doing this my whole life, and it ain't gonna stop.
I have to look at him as Sneaker King, man.
Sneaker King, huh?
Every single different shoe that he's wearing, every single time on the court. Not only that, he brings a second pair with him.
He does. Got her always fire too.
Yeah.
All right, PJ Tucker though.
Yo,
Outfit looking saucy.
I love the key subtle undershirt.
That boy is shipped and dripped.
Yeah.
I would have to say that
You
Houston
know.
vibe. Oh my God, I don't know how hot it get in Houston, but that jacket looked right.
I would say a lot of times the Yeezy 1s are really pulled off like that. The color schemes are a little bit tricky to work
Yes,
with.
sir. Yes, sir.
But I feel like he did it justice.
yeah, no, I agree.
But one thing though, we gotta bring up,
Yeah.
obviously he's a sneaker king,
Yeah.
getting a lot of recognition for sneakers. Do you feel like his game is not really matching up with the name of, him being known for sneakers?
Yeah,
or should he step it up a little bit?
A king needs your top tier.
He not top tier, huh? He not
I
your
love
top
PJ Tucker.
tier.
I think he's about to sign with Nike soon. Well deserved. But he ain't getting no signature shoe.
Nah.
All right, let's just put it this way. The last highlight I heard of his was a sneaker highlight.
That's it.
Not a basketball highlight.
All right, so Kyrie, let me know.
Mr. Emotional himself, huh?
Must call him Mr.
Mr. Emotional, man. I feel like this guy might be bipolar, man.
Yo.
Aside from the outfits, okay, the outfit looked great, but let's talk about his antics.
I'm Mr. Irving there.
I felt like Cavaliers did a really good job to keep everything he had under wraps for a while, because
That was not the Cavaliers. It was LeBron keeping it in
hey,
check, all right?
that is true, because he went over to Boston. They couldn't handle him either.
My man is the distraction, but when it comes to this fit, I'm not gonna lie, this one is one of his better ones. He's not really known for fashion,
One of the best. Yeah, one
but
of the
this
best.
right here makes up for a lot of whack outfits that he had in the
This
past.
almost made me want to go look for another pair of Solars.
Oh, for sure.
That's how fire it is. All right, so for round one, who do you guys think is taking this one?
I'm gonna have to go PJ Tucker, man.
PJ Tucker?
I'm gonna go and agree with Johnny on this one. PJ Tucker wins this one
Woo!
for me.
I'm gonna have to agree as well. PJ Tucker takes the cake on round one. Let's keep it moving. All right, guys, so we gotta interrupt the video for a huge thank you to our sponsor, Scentbird, all right?
Yeah, we've been walking with them for a while.
Yes, sir. And they got us smelling right,
For sure.
They got us smelling right. So if you guys are not familiar with what Scentbird is, for $14.95, that's pretty cheap.
Yeah.
You have access to hundreds and hundreds of different designer colognes and
Oh
perfumes.
yeah, authentic brands only.
Authentic brands only. I'm talking Gucci, Prada,
What else?
Versace.
Cartier, Tom Ford, just to name a few.
All right, so basically you have access to all these different fragrances, and for $14.95 each month, they will send you a bottle just like this. We'll show you guys, and they will send you a bottle like this, very travel friendly, and you
Yes.
get to pick from these brands every single month. But you know what's dope about it? You could actually pause your subscription if you want. So say if you had a few months and you didn't, spray these as much as you thought you would, and you're piling up,
Yep.
you could pause it. You could customize it where it's every 2 months, 3 months, so it's really user friendly. We've talked about Scentbird throughout the years. I really like what they're doing, trust me. So they sent over a few new ones. Let's check them out right now. All right, so this one they sent right here, Mercedes-Benz Select Night.
Mercedes-Benz.
Black bottle. You guys gotta take a look at this
Ooh,
bottle,
nice little
man.
matte finish.
Little twist right here, and then it exposes where it sprays out right here. So this one right here is categorized as woody, fresh, and oriental notes, okay?
Okay.
Are you ready? You good with it?
Let's do it. Right here. Not my mouth.
There you go. Hold on.
It is fresh. I do, kind of smell a little bit of oriental flavor to it.
Oriental keyword. You know what's really cool is we're taking a look at the website right now, and you could actually hover over these icons.
That's
And
crazy.
it tells you what people have voted for when it comes to this fragrance, what occasion it is suited for.
Yo, you can't be, spraying the English laundry going to the gym.
That's
Maybe
what
you
I
want
mean.
to go to office party and it's gonna break it down.
45 votes for this is the best fragrance for the office.
Hey.
28 said just for hanging out. And then you also got like personality types. Like if you're just a casual person,
Yeah.
you go with the English laundry.
But if you're adventurous or a trendsetter, this might not be the one.
yeah, that's pretty cool actually.
Okay,
This is
okay.
a new feature. I like this.
I like that.
All right, so scentbird.com, man. Make sure you guys check them out. Use the promo code Richie30, all right? And you will get 30% off your first monthly subscription, which is pretty good. That leaves you at $11 for your first
That's
cologne.
not bad.
That's not bad at all. All right, guys, let's get back into the video. Shout out to Scentbird one more time. Make sure you guys check them out.
All right, so moving right along, man. What they got in common is cozy wear, before the game.
Cozy
Both
season.
popular names right here, Mr. Zion Williamson.
Okay.
And Mr. Top 3, you were saying?
Oh.
The GOAT?
Caruso.
Alex Caruso?
Alex Caruso,
Look,
the
man,
GOAT.
my man's got a mural in LA.
I saw that. That was crazy, bro.
It's about time they show some respect.
All right, let me know. Bam!
Yo,
Let me know.
yo,
Let me
Oh,
know.
Zion. I don't know why, but his head is a lot smaller than his body.
Wow. He does have a wide body.
Oh, he's
Yo.
a stocky dude.
Y'all remember in Willy Wonka when the girl turned into a big blueberry?
Wow, don't
this
do
outfit
him like
remind
that.
me- You look like
Don't
Violet.
do him like
The
that.
big blueberry.
Zion is not a fashion body, all right? That's
sure,
give
for
it to him.
sure.
He a dunking body.
And he does a good job.
Yeah.
But
He
man,
won't lie, they got more head than you got body. This is
I was looking at the photo. It was funny in the comments. Someone was like, "Look at that boy snacking on a little cheeseburger before looking at the stains on the pants."
I was gonna say, my man got the
damn.
stain on the pants. That's a grease stain.
That's a grease.
I know a grease stain when I see one.
That or a sweet and sour sauce.
Ooh,
Sweet and sour-
down to the sauce.
Sweet and sour. Sweet and
That's
sour.
not coming off, my friend.
Zion, I feel like he's learning.
For sure.
Still get the Louis bag. He's trying. You know what I
And
mean?
he's still rocking nothing but Jordan.
Yeah. Damn,
sure,
Zion.
for sure.
Caruso though.
My man Caruso.
I'm so disappointed with Caruso.
What you so disappointed about?
You know you're in the NBA. Look like you're in the damn NBA. You know what I mean?
I mean, that's a
He
huge
looks like he's in it.
point.
He looks
like
like
a
he plays
Lauderdale.
for a junior college or
He
something.
like
He
a-
look like he should be in the stands.
In the upper edge of the bowl
In the
too. Not
nosebleeds.
even the good seats.
In
Not
the
even the good seats. Like
nosebleeds.
my thing is, why doesn't he just like shave his hair down a little bit? You know, like.
yeah. You're saying he could add more swag to his look by just doing the most simple things.
He's doing everything. He's dunking on people. He's like playing with
Look,
LeBron.
man, he focused on the game, not the outfit, you know?
Exactly. In the NBA, half of it is showtime.
For sure. You look good, you play good.
Yeah,
all
you'll
I'm
play
saying.
even better. I know we're going hard on Mr. Caruso. We just feel like he could even step it up on this aspect too.
For
You know
sure.
what I mean?
Something
For sure.
as simple as just shaving your head, son.
I think he will though. I
think
think
so?
he will. If he's around LeBron more, Anthony Davis more, he gonna be. He's getting more
Anthony
minutes.
Davis.
He's getting more minutes.
Yeah,
he's
he
gonna,
is, he is.
I guarantee you, next time he's on the show, fire outfit.
All right, I'm gonna have to go with Zion on this one. Zion on this one. I feel like he's
Unfortunately.
trying. He's trying.
Unfortunately,
Unfortunately, we have to
He's
go
trying.
Zion.
He's
Got the
trying.
Louis bag?
Yeah, he's trying.
He trying.
Caruso, come on, man. All right, so moving right along, man. We got the Fear of God iridescent outfit. You know that purple,
Iridescent.
blue.
That
Those
piece
kind of
is
trendy.
fire.
Yeah. So we got Gary Harris from the Denver Nuggets.
Okay.
Ooh.
And we. Mr. Harris, Mr.
Gary
Denver
Harris,
Nuggets.
man.
I never heard his name.
Carl Anthony Towns from Wolves.
Wolves.
Bam.
Okay.
Let me know. You got both
Yo.
with some Jordan ones on.
Yep.
Yo.
What are those? Turbo greens? Or
Turbo
what are
greens?
you?
Turbo
You have a
greens.
pair of those?
Yeah,
You got a
don't
pair of
sleep on
those?
those, don't sleep on those.
You got the Travis Scotts right there. Let me know.
Okay.
Who do you want to start off with?
Let's start off with Anthony Towns.
Okay.
You know, I'm not gonna lie. Every time he laces up his ones, bothers me. It's like it's choking the ones to where it doesn't look swaggy. It doesn't
Exactly.
look swaggy. And the proportion of the outfit to me is just a little bit off. I don't know if you guys see the same
Like
thing.
it-
He
You
looked
gotta-
too confident to be pulling an outfit like that, man.
I think it's a GQ shoot.
No, you could tell that.
His name
The
GQ
pants
got
are
it.
super high up. One's tied up. Like, remember when he had the off-white ones?
Yeah.
He did the same thing.
Oh, that was horrible.
He did the same
That was
thing.
horrible. Overall, though, when you put it side by side next to Mr. Harris,
Ooh, I understand.
it's very underwhelming how Carl Anthony pulls it
Let
off.
me give one to Carl though. One to Carl.
What?
He didn't match it to a T. He did the Travis Scotts. You know,
That don't mean it worked,
That
though.
was, you know what I'm saying? That's
That
a
don't
cool,
mean it
that's
worked,
a cool,
though.
that's a
I feel
cool
you.
detail.
I feel you.
Mr. Gary Harris.
The tones is right. Tell me the tones ain't right
Not
over
even
here.
the tones. Let's talk about how he's rocking the outfit.
Thank you.
Well, what
It's
is
not about the tones.
What do
not
you think?
about
What do you
the
think? He's
toes.
shy? What do you think? He's shy over here?
I was gonna say.
What do you think? He's
like
shy
the guy.
over here?
I thought it was at first. The lazy, baggy, unproportionate, like
Yep.
the way he's rocking it.
Over the shoulder. I'm sorry, Mr. Harris. I ain't never heard of you. But your outfit, you definitely made an impression for us on Rate That Fit.
For sure.
All right, wrapping this one up though. Who you guys got?
I'm gonna have to go with Mr. Harris.
100%. Look
Gary
at the
Harris
execution.
got this one for me.
Man, I say Mr. Harris as well. All right, so moving right along, man, we got Offset from the Migos. He was recently gifted a pair of very exclusive yellow Travis Scott
Welcome to the show.
sixes,
Welcome to
man.
the show.
Not released yet. All right, this was
Family.
at Astro World Festival.
Okay.
And then we also got Mr. Mayweather.
Mr. Mayweather. Last time he was on the
favorite.
show,
Fan favorite.
we kicked him off.
kicked
He's
him
back
off?
though?
He crawled in.
Okay.
He's out of probation.
He crawled
Okay.
back. He crawled back.
Okay,
All
okay,
right,
I'm
both
excited,
they got
I'm
in
excited.
common yellow sneakers. All right, now something you don't see too often.
Okay.
Bam! Let me know. Let me know.
Yo!
Mayweather with the poncho, Gucci
Yo.
poncho.
Clearly Gucci, man. Like, that's outlandish.
Yeah. And then you got Offset with the I don't even know what brands these are. Might be Fear of God flannel.
Yep.
But sixes though. The
Okay.
6 Travis
Okay.
Scott sixes. Who do you guys want to start off
Look
with?
at Money May, man.
Money May, go ahead,
Look at
Johnny.
Money May, man. He looked like he a part of an expensive mariachi band, man. I kind of like the vibe.
Ooh, it's
Da-da,
expensive,
da-da,
man.
you know?
He looks
I
like money
it.
here.
Big money.
You
I wanna
can't
say
do
that's-
you
that's-
can't do this if you're poor.
That's real big pimping right there. I like the broad yellow.
Yeah.
The big yellow. He decided to go with it all the way. He took a chance.
Down to the Fear of God boots.
You know,
Down
down
to
to
the
the
Fear of
Fear of
God
Notice he's
boots.
wearing 3 different shades of yellow. If
might
you
be
count the
light.
chains, it's 4.
Tones, my friend.
Tones? Okay.
Tones.
Those pants are too tight to go with that high of cut of a shoe. To me.
That's
just
Mayweather.
weird.
Mayweather always has something about his outfit to set him apart. He's different.
Yeah, like you said,
His greatness
he's
right
rich.
here.
You
He's
can only
rich.
pull that off if you're rich.
If you're rich, I would say the reason why Offset's outfit kind of disappoints me.
What got you?
He didn't even do the sixes right. You got
Ooh.
one of the most exclusive sneakers in the
Hey, you
world.
don't have to tell us, man.
And the outfit looks way underwhelming, way regular.
The outfit is not executed well, but come on, man, it's a lot better than what Mayweather's
No,
wearing.
you gotta give it to Floyd, man. He look like he having a good
Mayweather's
time.
look like he about to go to casino. He about to go to casino.
Yeah? Well, he's gonna crap out.
Yo.
No. All right, for this one, who you guys going with?
I'm going Offset on this one, man.
Offset need more offset. You know how I feel about that word. You know,
Yeah.
it's too simple, it's too plain. Floyd. That Gucci scarf, I'm about to give me one too, man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to give you one
I'm
too,
going
man.
with Floyd on this one. It's nice to see him back. It's nice to see him back. All right. Moving right along, man, we got Mr. Odell Beckham Jr.
Okay.
Been a little while since we talked about
Yes,
him.
sir. Yes, sir.
And then we got Mr. Khaled.
Mr.
Been a little while since we
Khaled.
talked about him as well. He's been a little quiet this year. You know what I mean?
Okay.
We got them both in monogram LV, purple.
Purple.
Bam. Let me know. Odell with the custom shoe surgeon. These are the Levi 4s,
Oh.
but custom by
Oh.
shoe
I'm
surgeon.
not gonna lie.
Wow.
I thought they were Travis Scott's.
I thought they were too.
But
I
he
thought they were
custom
Travis
down
Scott.
straight to the shade of the Louis Vuitton.
Okay.
That's kind of
Okay.
fire. I'm not
Okay.
gonna lie, but you know, Khaled did his thing. Khaled
Look at Slim New York.
Are those real lions?
Those are little Lion King stuffed animals.
I was gonna
What
say,
the
They
heck?
look kind of scary though. I'm
no,
not gonna
Khaled,
lie.
it might be real, man. It might be
Khaled,
real.
yeah,
Might
Khaled,
be
knowing
real.
Khaled. Maybe album sales didn't do too well. He can't afford the real lions nowadays.
For
You know
sure,
what I
for
mean?
sure, for
All right,
sure.
let's start off with Khaled though. What do you guys like about it? What do you got? He's not known to be that swaggy.
I'm happy that the pants are loose on him now. Look
Yeah.
like the boy's been slimming down a little
Does
bit.
look
You
like
know?
he's losing weight. Usually, he would butcher this outfit and probably wear a purple shirt
He
underneath.
been listening. He been
But
listening.
because he didn't do that, it makes it a little bit better.
I like that. I like when Khaled had that, Khaled effect to it.
Ah, man.
I want real lions. I want purple underneath. I want more ice. I want more, he's trying to be too cool.
Oh, I feel you.
Oh,
Okay.
too cool.
But what do you guys think about Odell?
Odell, perfect
Woo!
balance when it comes to the right ratio of purple and black. Obviously, the black is black. I don't know what brands he's rocking.
Do my man got a turtleneck on?
I'm not gonna lie, man. A turtleneck, swaggy.
Recently, saw you with the turtleneck.
Oh.
Saw you with the turtleneck.
Yeah, I got my Johnny.
Oh, you
Johnny-
got it from Johnny?
No, I didn't get it from Johnny.
Oh, I was gonna say. I was like,
Sounds
Johnny
wrong.
used to talk about turtlenecks all the time,
I was like,
but he never
according to
wore it on
physics,
set.
How did that work out? All right, but what?
He just, how did that work out?
Calculations.
But you meant you got the idea from
I
Johnny.
got that even Johnny.
Yeah.
Johnny used to always bring it up a lot.
It's just a simple Odell. With a season that he's having right now,
Yeah.
he's been a little bit quiet. I feel like the outfit's a little bit quiet itself too. I was expecting a little bit more when I
Really?
see a Louis Vuitton denim jacket from him. I want a little bit more louder pieces.
So you want basically Khaled's outfit with the shoe surgeon shoes and probably a purple turtleneck instead. You want Barney then?
Not all purple. I'm just
Yeah,
saying.
you want Barney?
This
You
looks
want
like
Barney?
this looks
I
like two
disagree. I
sick of a
disagree.
plate.
I think this is a good mix between loud and subtle.
Yeah.
Got the berry juice in the hand too.
Oh, like a
the berry.
I feel
workout.
bad though for sometimes with wide receiver stars.
Yeah.
It's not their fault they're not shining. You know what I mean?
I don't know. He had some catches that he was playing with Seattle. He should have caught. And he didn't
Oh,
catch.
really? Okay.
I'm just saying there's some plays where you can't always blame it on the quarterback.
Okay,
You can't.
okay.
You always blame it on the quarterback, my friend.
I think this is an easy one in my opinion. Odell on
Khaled.
this one. Odell.
I'll have to give it to Khaled,
Come
baby.
on, Khaled.
I'ma
You
go
know,
with-
up the budget. Get
I
some
want
real
another one,
lines.
Khaled.
I'm
Up
gonna
the
go with
budget.
Odell, man. I'm
Odell.
with you on this one. Odell.
All right, Odell takes this one. All right, so last but not least, man, we got two Travis Scott sneakers right here. Longtime friend of Travis Scott, OJ TSB, now his DJ.
He was there when Travis Scott had 10 people in the crowd.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And we also got Jordan Clarkson right here with some Travis Scott sixes. Olive. Let me know.
Let's do
Bam.
it. Sure.
Brand new
Wow.
Supreme varsity jacket.
This is gonna be tough.
I was gonna say both is super tough right
Both
now.
Right.
outfits.
Because when
Fire.
I've seen this photo surface internet a long time ago.
That's a
Probably
classic.
Probably one of my favorite photos that I've actually archived.
Wow.
Exactly.
Jordan Clarkson seen this recently on I think League Fits,
Mm.
and that one is fire too.
Stone Island cargo. Stone
I have
Island
seen that
cargo.
jacket in many variations, and I've always seen people match from top to bottom with it.
Yes.
The fact that he offset it with the Travis Scott
Olive.
sixes.
The olive was crazy.
My.
This is fashion. This is style. This is style.
All right, let's start off with Clarkson. What do you guys like about? I know you had mentioned matching. You do like that. He didn't match it to a T.
He looked extra varsity right now with the jacket on. He looked like, you know where I'm from? He's just wearing with so much confidence.
He don't know what JV is.
Yeah, you don't know.
Yeah. You know, we're always bringing up the concept of not matching to a T and whatnot. I would say this is a perfect example
Yeah,
of
sure, to
that.
me.
You know,
But can we move on to my man OG Chase B real quick?
for sneakerheads, we're like, what are those?
What are those? And not just that, the jeans.
The jeans.
The jeans. Look, we all
Into
know.
the vintage. I mean, like everything.
Yeah,
All right, so
we
go
all
ahead.
know, Jerry Lorenzo, when he first came out with his Fear of God denim, he pulled them off really well. Mm-hmm. But my man OG pulled it off better. I feel like his body frame is more relatable.
Yeah, for sure.
The pants really aren't skinny. They're more of like a slim fit, and that's
Yep.
why I like
Comfortable.
it.
Looks
They're
comfortable.
Look more comfortable.
I would say, yeah, that's a good point. With
Yeah.
Jerry's, it almost looks like too designer
and too perfect.
Too perfect.
Which probably was what he was going for.
I mean,
but
he's shooting hoops in these, you know?
Yeah.
But those fours, man, Jordan Brand, if you were watching,
please,
you hit him with the prayer.
please.
With the pray emoji.
Please,
Don't butcher this one.
just release these.
Too
Wow.
dope.
All right, so for this one, who we going with?
This
Dang.
is tough. This one is tough right here.
Purely on the fact,
Yeah.
which outfit do I see myself in most? I'm gonna have to go with Mr. Clarkson.
Mr. Clarkson. Oh, I
Varsity
thought I
jacket,
wasn't gonna see
loose
that.
Never seen
pants.
you in a varsity jacket.
The sixes, that's a big man outfit right there.
All right,
Okay,
all right,
okay.
all right. For myself, gotta go with Chase B, man. Chase B, everything is
Perfect. I'm gonna go and agree with Richie because this outfit is like the best of the type of outfit I would wear.
Yes.
If that makes sense.
Did it
where
start
all
these type of
ours are
outfits?
kind of based off like something
This
like
look
this.
right
I was
here.
gonna say, is this where the look
The
started?
distress with the
Yep.
vintage, you know what I mean?
I'm
But
not
gonna say
it
Clarkson's is
started,
fire.
but it's up there. It's,
Yeah, it's
it's
up there.
where you want to look like
Yes,
you want
sir.
to like this right
All right, Clarkson's is fire too.
Clarkson's fire,
Let us
though.
know what you guys think. This is a hard one. OG Chase B takes the last
By a
round.
slim margin.
All right, guys, thank you for checking out that outfit battles, man. Got a
That
lot
was
of
one of
good
the
ones.
best ones, even with Floyd in it.
Ooh, Floyd. Floyd, don't sleep
I
on the
have to say-
mariachi band, man. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
I have to say that last battle that they had though, that was probably the toughest one we
That
had.
was tough. That
by
was tough.
far.
Oh, if anybody has I think I would be a small in that varsity jacket.
Yeah.
If anybody has a small in the red and yellow varsity jacket,
Fire.
let me know. That's pretty much it though. Shout out to Johnny. Shout out to Tang. Make sure you guys like this video. Let's try to get it up to 10,000 likes if you guys can.
That'd be dope.
And we'll do a crazy giveaway.
Whoa.
Crazy
Let's do
giveaway.
it.
Crazy giveaway.
Let's do it.
All right, and until next time, we out.
Peace.